I wanted to talk about this briefly because the reason why I think about quantum fields and fluid mathematics together is because it is pretty decent, especially with dimensional theory and chaos theory mathematics, at describing our interactional quantum standard model, engineering mathematics, and observational science to effectively piece together what's going on. The problem is that it doesn't really accurately describe the absence of things or things that are simply very low interactive with us that could be there and are viewed as such, like a vacuum particle or a ghost particle or similar BS like this, uh, which isn't really BS. It's a thing, okay? It's just same thing with a literal vacuum, you know what I mean? Which isn't vacuum pressure so much as that's why I described that in my YouTube series of the Into the Black Hole hypothetical that eventually goes over a large amount of my ideas for how the universe forms. But I'm going to move on to it's not accurately describing, in my mind, how fields, the membranic nature, the vibrational nature, the moving around harmonic resonances that move around and interact with the multiple dimensions there within, that is the charge, electromagnetism, gravity, all the rest of it that we view as it to be, along with thermodynamics, the energy imparted and departed to the various interactions there within too. Again, it's not accurately describing in my mind all of that is. And the reason why is because a field is a field and a spike is a spike, but that doesn't accurately define our version of reality. Okay, it's one of those frustrating little concepts that, like, reality would then just be viewed in a bunch of rotating fields that are interacting with each other. But of course, that's in something, and you go further and further from that. And it becomes rather crazy to think about those other things that are there and why it is the things we are not necessarily depicted in a way that I feel is truly closer to us than we're kind of taught, or told.